Good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome to one more amazing session from Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya. This is Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry. How are you, my dear students? Can you please confirm whether I'm able to hear, you're here, able to hear my voice and you can see me? Fine, thank you. Anga Namani here. Good afternoon. Yes, very good. So, in this YouTube platform, Sri Chaitanya and Infinity Lane by Sri Chaitanya offering NEET Step Up 2025 program. So on this platform we are providing all free sessions from chemistry, physics and biology, and these sessions are extremely useful for those who are preparing for NEET examination, 12th standard students and dropped 12th standard and preparing for NEET 2025 examinations. Get ready, work late. So we are providing today alcohols, phenols and ethers, and this is the second concept, second topic that is there in the part 2 NCERT textbook, and it is quite useful in a NEET examination, my dear students. From this particular chapter, alcohols, phenols, ethers, you can expect a question from alcohols that is already completed, and phenols today we are going to start, and ethers also will be continued here. And this is connected to the previous haloalkanes and haloarenes and alkenes and other subtopics as well, and it is further connected to phenols, and phenols are aromatic alcohols, my dear students. Here we are going to connect with arenes, the reactions of benzene. So what late we can study? Yes, we are ready. Very good. Now, and from this particular topic, alcohols and phenols and ethers, alcohols you can expect one question from NEET examination paper, and phenols you definitely will be getting one examination, and ethers also. And when it comes to the phenols, very important reactions, Reimer-Tiemann reaction, Kolbe's reaction is there a soft corner to get a question. So hope you are all doing good, and these awesome lectures given by me as quite important for NEET examination, and you get advantage of this, and you just give a like and you share with your friends so that they are also going to get advantage of these sessions, and also you just press bell button so that you will be getting all updates on upcoming sessions. Hi, good evening, how are you all doing? So awesome. And what we learned from the alcohols, phenols and ethers so far? In this NEET Step Up 2025 program, and weekly 6 days we are having a sessions, and yesterday we couldn't have because some kind of NEET judgment was pending. So that's the reason why we just skipped that session, and we are in live session right now. So this live session, any doubt that you ask in the chat box, it will be honored with respect to the current context. And this live sessions is not like a radio transmission. It is in a live interactive session. You may feel that these YouTube sessions आपको NEET एग्जामिनेशन पहुंचने के फायदा होगा, बिल्कुल फायदा होगा बेटा. इतना एक्सपीरियंस्ड फैकल्टी आपके सामने खड़ा होके पूरा NEET एग्जाम तक topics are going to be delivered, and these sessions that we are giving and discussing the questions, and these questions exactly match with the standard of the NEET examination, my dear student, so that you don't have to feel that ये YouTube session में चलेगा नहीं चलेगा, पक्का चलेगा. आपको NEET examination में top mark score करने का आपका सुविधा मिलेगा, and definitely if you follow these sessions you can be a topper as well. यकीन रखो and अच्छा तरफ अभ्यास करो, आपको भला होगा बेटा. And what late we can start, एक fiery emoji डालो, and you will be having all kinds of reactions, and you will be having various types of questions in उल्टा पुल्टा करके भी आपको दे सकते हैं बेटा. And you just give a fiery emoji so that we can just start this session. Very good. So let's start alcohols, phenols and ethers. फिलहाल हम alcohols खत्म किया, उसमें preparation properties भी है, classification किया, nomenclatures किया, common names versus IUPAC names, and their structures are also seen in the preparation. In the preparation, you can prepare it from alkene and alcohols, from carbonyls and Grignard synthesis. Everything we have seen, and the properties in that mechanism of acid catalyzed alkenes also seen. And also some questions I segregated and made into the further coming slides so that you can do the best for the alcohols, and which is already completed, and the properties is already completed. And coming to the phenols, आज देखना है nomenclature, esterification, electrophilic substitution and nitration, Kolbe's reaction and Reimer-Tiemann reaction. ये दो चीज है एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू में बहुत अच्छा है, right? And nitration and bromination भी है. And wherever you are going to get a question from phenols, here only, and if at all preparation. Let's talk about ethers as well. After phenols, we'll be discussing about ethers. In ethers, सिर्फ दो चीज है, विलियमसन synthesis आ गया, and reaction with HI, cleavage of ether linkage with HI. वो चीज शायद कल का क्लास में होना वाला है. And why not we directly go into the phenols, है ना? Phenols. What is a phenol? Phenol is aromatic alcohol. जब आपका OH ग्रुप बेंजीन रिंग को सीधा लगा होगा, ये phenol होगा. And phenols are aromatic alcohol, and this is your common phenol. This is your benzene, and it is going to be OH, benzene carbolic acid. Hydroxybenzene is phenol. Hi. Next, let's see various structures of phenols with respect to IUPAC. And एक चीज बताना चाहता हूं मैं आपको, ये दो नाम लिखा हुआ ऑर्थोक्रेसॉल एंड 2-methyl phenol. दिस इज योर phenol. इन दैट phenol जब ऑर्थो पोजीशन में मिथाइल ग्रुप है, so it is called as orthocresol. IUPAC system is going to take this name as well as this name into the consideration. It's okay, Ishita, good afternoon, how are you? आज स्कूल नहीं क्या? Yes, आज स्कूल नहीं है. Okay. Now, रिचा शर्मा कहाँ? अभिनव आने वाले हैं थोड़ी सी देर में. He always comes little late, na? So try to be on time in the class, and you don't miss even from the introduction. When you watch a movie, so if you miss the titles and the starting point and the main course of the movie, you may understand, but itna खास नहीं मिलेगा, right? हाँ, yes. Now it is methyl group is at ortho position, the orthocresol. Methyl group at meta position, metacresol. Methyl group is at para position, that is called paracresol. These are all phenolic compounds. Phenol का derivatives है, इसी के कारण ये phenolic compounds बोलना है. So it is 2,6-dimethyl phenol and 2,4-dimethyl phenol and catechol. This is important. Orthohydroxyphenol is called as a catechol or benzene 1,2-diol. Yes. बोनांजा नमस्ते क्लास. हाँ, कुछ बोलना चाहता हूँ क्या बेटा? जाया बोनांजा. Okay. Now one important thing I just want to say, this is your phenol, and if this phenol has 3 nitro group, so this is called 2,4,6-trinitrophenol. This is called 2,4,6-trinitrophenol. This is 2,4,6-trinitrophenol. इसका कॉमन नेम क्या होगा? इशिता, आपके याद है ना तो बोल सकते हैं. बोनांजा कौन? दैट, हु इज दैट नेम? ओके, हु इज दैट नेम? कम ऑन, इसका कॉमन नेम क्या होगा? इसका नाम आता है पिक्रिक एसिड का है. दिस इज पिक्रिक एसिड. ठीक है. सो पिक्रिक एसिड very important compound. It is an acid. And its acidic nature is almost equal to carboxylic acid. because of strong electron withdrawing groups are there with OH group there or the phenol. And phenols are acidic and less acidic than carboxylic acid and more acidic than alcohol. But here trinitrophenol picric acid is strongly acidic as carboxylic acid. Khayal mein rakho. So Vita, hello, good afternoon. So try to be online. So we just started phenols and we are discussing about various phenolic structures and आपको पेश कर रहे हैं अभी पिक्रिक एसिड. हाँ, पिक्रिक एसिड कैसा बनता है, ये फिनॉल का प्रॉपर्टीज में आने वाला है आपका, है ना बेटा. नेक्स्ट लेट्स सी द प्रिपरेशन. Various methods are there for the preparation. You can prepare phenol from coal. So when the coal is mined, so you are having phenol was extracted in the middle oil fraction. So coal से आप phenol prepare करना चाहता हूँ, so light oil, middle oil, heavy oil आएगा. अब coal destructive distillate करने, so coal is a solid, so जो liquid है बाहर निकलते हैं, so that coal बनता है आपका coke है. So जो vapors condense करके 3 fractions मिलेगा, light oil, middle oil and heavy oil. heavy oil में नाफ्ता रोड में इस्तेमाल करते हैं ना, रोड बनाने के रास्ता में नेशनल हाईवेज, सो हेवी ऑयल में नाफ्ता इस्तेमाल करते हैं. एंड जो मिडिल ऑयल आता है ना, phenol is separated from the middle oil along with the other aromatic compounds. Aditi Patel, what is the pH value of phenol? ये 7 का अंदर आता है, लेस देन 7, इट इज 6 आसपास में होगा. ये फिनॉल सॉल्यूशन का कंसंट्रेशन में डिपेंड करता है. आदिति पटेल, तस्वीन हाई, नो प्रॉब्लम तस्वीन, आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री इन डिटेल, नो वरीज, मैं हूं ना, राइट, आई एम हियर, यू डोंट हैव टू वरी. सो यू कैन ऑल्सो प्रिपेयर फिनॉल फ्रॉम haloarenes. Okay, so haloarenes में chlorobenzene is there. देखो, this is chlorobenzene, X is equal to, मान लो ये क्लोरीन है, so chlorobenzene is fused with sodium hydroxide at high pressure and the temperature. You are going to get sodium phenoxide. This sodium phenoxide is acidic hydrolyzed and gives rise phenol. So this is one of the commercial important process. And इसमें जो yield आता है ना, that is very less. Okay, so the yield what you are going to get is very less. And here in commercially you can prepare it from coal. So when your coal is subjected for distillation, you are going to get 3 types of volatile liquids: light oil, middle oil, heavy oil. And the middle oil you are going to subject it for fractional distillation. In that fractional distillation you are going to get phenol. है ना बेटा? Aditi, got it? Any doubt? So you need not have to retract any messages if you just typed something related to the context. है ना बेटा? Yes. So this is a very important topic, alcohols and phenols and ether. अगर आप अल्कोहल्स, फिनॉल्स, ईथर तक पहुंचेगा ना ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में, आधा ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री आपका पास है. सो ऑर्गेनिक, इनऑर्गेनिक एंड फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री, ऑर्गेनिक पार्ट है 30 to 35% का मार्क्स आने वाला है. कम से कम 20 क्वेश्चंस एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं, 15-18 क्वेश्चंस, 15-18 क्वेश्चंस. सो दैट you are going to get near about 80 marks from NEET examination paper without hesitation. It is there in your hand. है ना? That's good. All clear. Very good. Now, so you can also prepare it from Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent क्या? It is magnesium, alkyl magnesium bromide or alkyl magnesium halide is called Grignard reagent. Phenyl magnesium bromide, this is what you call it as a phenyl magnesium bromide. It just simply subjected for exposure to air. एयर में आपका ऑक्सीजन है, सो जो ऑक्सीजन ये मैग्नीशियम ब्रोमाइड, फिनाइल मैग्नीशियम ब्रोमाइड के साथ रिएक्ट करने के बाद वो ऑक्सीजन ये बीच में घुसना है. so that phenoxy magnesium bromide is formed. Okay. uh, and this phenyl magnesium bromide, when it is subjected for acidic hydrolysis, and this bond is going to be broken, and this phenoxide ion is added with hydrogen, so you are going to get phenol. Taswin, you understand how to make the reactions in organic chemistry? Fine beta, clear? Taswin, hope you are understanding. Yes, that's good. Come, at least give some kind of thumbs up, dear. Aditi, Ishita, fine. Okay, let's go ahead with next coming reaction. Everybody write the notes along with me, so that one round of preparation, one cycle of preparation class में हो जाएगा आपका, है ना? Yes. In the YouTube session, simply don't look at the screen and yes, understood, chit chat. So that is not my main course. You follow the lesson, try to understand the lesson. ओके दिमाग में थोड़ा बहुत घुसने का कोशिश करो. ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री समझने का, अप्लाई करने का बहुत आसानी काम है बेटा. ख्याल में ये चीज रखना, ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री हमेशा आपका हाथ में है. यू आर इन सेफ हैंड्स ऑफ सुरेश सर, सो दैट यू कैन डू द बेस्ट, है ना बेटा? एंड यस, now let's talk about from benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid क्या? When benzene, can you see this benzene? Yes, this benzene is treated with H2S2O7. You are going to get benzene sulfonic acid, SO3H. This is your benzene sulfonic acid. So you just prepare phenol from benzene sulfonic acid like this. Benzene is treated with oleum. This is your oleum or fuming sulfuric acid. Oleum. It is called fuming sulfuric acid. H2SO4 concentrated and fumes of SO3. ये दोनों मिलके H2S2O7 बनता है, and it is going to be benzene sulfonic acid. This benzene sulfonic acid, this process is called as sulfonation. ये पहला जो reaction है, this is what you call it as. Abhinav, you are again 9 minutes late. It is 13:49. Abhinav, hi. So लगे रहो चार्ट बॉक्स में, राइट बेटा? एंड दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड एज सल्फोनेशन. ये सल्फोनेशन में आपका इलेक्ट्रोफाइल जो है ये सल्फर ट्राइऑक्साइड होगा. दिस इज योर इलेक्ट्रोफाइल. दिस रिएक्शन इज इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन. हम देख चुका एरिन्स एंड बेंजीन प्रॉपर्टीज में, है ना? हर चीज, हर रिएक्शन, इससे क्वेश्चंस कैसे निकलेगा, फॉर एवरी रिएक्शन हाउ द क्वेश्चन इज बीइंग आस्क्ड, यू नीड टू लर्न, राइट? Tashwin, hope you are understanding. You don't feel that you are weak in organic chemistry, but you feel the other way, you are in the safe hands of Suresh sir from Infinity Land, है ना? Yes beta. Okay, right. So this benzene sulfonic acid, when it is treated with sodium hydroxide and just fuse it, you are going to get sodium phenoxide. And electrophile bonanza, electrophile is electron poor species, and electrophile is electron poor species, and it is indicated like this, okay? And electron seeking species, electron loving species you can say. So जो pi bond है ना, pi bond है, a pi bond is going to attack here, so that is what you call it as electrophile. Reagents are three categories, many categories: electrophile, nucleophile kind of things, carbene, benzene kind of things. Here it is an electrophile, and we have seen the nucleophile in SN1 and SN2, SNI kind of reactions, remember? And the reagents, general organic chemistry, we already completed one session. What is electrophile, what is nucleophile, what is acid, base, nucleophilicity order and basicity order. everything, ha ha ha, yes, everything we discussed in the previous classes, and you just go through the recording of general organic chemistry that is there in the YouTube platform here itself. You can just subscribe it. सारा मेरा लेक्चर्स एंड फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री बायोलॉजी का सारा क्वेश्चंस आपको दिखा देते हैं एंड आप कर सकते हैं, है ना बेटा? राइट. Now this sodium phenoxide, when it is acidified with HCl, you are going to get a phenol. This is one of the important method that you can prepare phenol in anywhere industry as well as in laboratory. समझे? So you please write down this equation फटाफट. So you please write the notes along with me, and very less number of reactions are there, so that you can maybe simply memorize it. You can do the best. And talking about from cumene, so this is the best method, and you can say most large scale phenol is prepared by this method. World's largest method, it is world's largest production of phenol is done by this method. What is a cumene? So this is your benzene. Benzene, when it is treated with propene in the presence of H3PO4 आप HF भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते, so that again electrophilic alkylation takes place to form isopropyl benzene. This isopropyl benzene commercially known as cumene. Isopropyl benzene is commercially known as cumene, right? So this cumene, when it is exposed to air, what happen? This oxygen is going to be incorporated here. Two oxygens is incorporated here, है ना? So two oxygen atoms are incorporated. This is what you call it as cumene hydroperoxide. This is what you call cumene hydroperoxide. This cumene hydroperoxide is very important compound. So what happened? This cumene hydroperoxide just simply hydrolyze करके, so क्या होगा? ये जो OH ग्रुप है ना, ये वाला बेंजीन का लग जाएगा, है ना? Yes. So तभी आपका cumene hydroperoxide phenol बन गया. And what about this one? This is released as CH3 CO CH3 CH3 CO CH3. What is this? Yes, Ishita, what is this? This is called acetone. So here आपका मिलेगा phenol एसीटोन के साथ है, बाई प्रोडक्ट. ये भी कमर्शियली इंपॉर्टेंट प्रोडक्ट था. सो इसीलिए ये वाला कमर्शियली इट इज मोर प्रॉफिटेबल, so that phenol and acetone both are going to be produced. So आपका ये क्वेश्चन में नीट एग्जामिनेशन में कैसा निकलेगा? क्या बाई प्रोडक्ट्स आता है? एसीटोन इज अ बाई प्रोडक्ट. क्या मेन प्रोडक्ट है? phenol. That's very, very, very important. So as you are getting a double फायदा here, NEET examination, not only NEET, जो industry में cumene method, cumene hydroperoxide method is more profitable, and world's largest scale production of phenol is done by this particular cumene hydroperoxide method. Like cumene क्या? Isopropyl benzene is called cumene. Got it? Yes, that is very important. Everybody make a note of it or take a snapshot. जल्दी करो. 3, 2, 1. या आगे बढ़ता हूं. फिनॉल्स, इसका प्रॉपर्टीज भी देखना है. My dear students, from benzene diazonium chloride. So this is your benzene diazonium chloride. You can say BDC. This is what you call it as BDC. Benzene diazonium chloride कैसा बनता है? जो बेंजीन है ना, नाइट्रेट करो पहले. So HNO3 concentrated H2SO4. You are going to get nitrobenzene. this nitrobenzene is reduced by using you can use iron and HCl, so that nitro group is reduced to aniline group, amino group, and this is further diazotized NaNO2 and HCl. यहाँ पर 0 to 5 degree centigrade इस्तेमाल करना है, so that NH2 it is N2Cl. This is your benzene diazonium chloride. So benzene diazonium chloride आप थोड़ा सा पानी ऐड करके वार्म करना, इतना आसान ही काम है देखो. सो नाइट्रोजन निकल जाएगा एंड HCl निकल जाएगा, सो दैट आपका मिलेगा phenol. This is your phenol. Preparation of benzene from benzene diazonium chloride is very important. This reaction you can get it from BDC reactions. That is the end of the organic chapter. Now next week I am planning in such a way that आपका जो जो topics अभी फिलहाल खत्म किया वो टॉपिक से नीट एग्जामिनेशन क्वेश्चंस कैसा निकलेगा, आपको नीट में जो क्वेश्चंस आते हैं मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस एंड स्टेटमेंट बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस, सारे के सारा जो क्वेश्चंस का अटैक करने का ट्रिक्स भी बताना चाहता हूं अगले हफ्ते में. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, डोंट मिस दोज सेशंस एंड यू बी अटेंडेड एंड गेट ऑल द ट्रिक्स विथ यू, है ना, राइट. सो एक थम्स अप एंड एक फायर इमोजी डाला क्लास में जल्दी फटाफट, सो दैट वी आर गोइंग टू सी द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ फिनॉल्स. जल्दी करना बेटा, थोड़ा सा सभी है मेरे पास. Tashwin, Aditi Patel, Abhinav, Vanga Annamani, Bonanza, and Ishita, everybody, just come on, give a thumbs up and fire emoji. Yes, let's see. And reactions of phenols. Array, phenol is soluble in water, do you know that? Okay, so why phenols are soluble in water? Yes, it is OH is there, this OH, and you are going to hit hydrogen, and there is intermolecular hydrogen bonding. And this phenol is totally soluble? No, it is partially soluble. Anyways, the reactions of the phenols is basically are two types. So the जो phenolic group है, this is your OH group, and this OH group is acidic in nature. Acidic in nature. So it is going to form a salt. Ishita, come on. It is going to form salt with bases. So phenol is a weak acid. It turns FeCl3 solution violet but fails to give litmus test. Very important. Turns FeCl3 solution is violet. Test for phenol. It's a test for phenol. This is a test for phenol. And it fails to give litmus test. It litmus test nahi deta. And it react with sodium metal. हाँ, sodium metal से react करते हैं, sodium hydroxide से react करते हैं. And phenol, however, does not react with Na2CO3 and NaHCO3. एक खास बात है मेरा, my dear students, this is a very important, very important. And why? It's a statement 1 and a statement 2 questions. So you can see in the NEET examination you will be getting all theory oriented questions. Numerical part कम होगा. NEET examination pattern ऐसे है बेटा. And in that, so what is the exact reason for this red underlined statement? Can anybody give the answer? Can anybody give the answer? Abhinav. Phenol, however, does not react with sodium carbonate. Array, sodium carbonate and sodium bicarbonate react with the acids, but phenol is acidic. Phenol is a weak acid, but it is not reacting. Why? Because H2CO3 is a stronger acid than phenol. Reason is H2CO3 is a strong acid than phenol. That's very important. ये H2CO3 कहा, So when the reaction goes on, the H2CO3 is going to form and that decomposes to gives us carbon dioxide. But the reaction आगे नहीं बढ़ता है क्योंकि ये reaction reversible ज़्यादा favorable है. So that you can see phenol react with sodium hydroxide, sodium phenoxide and water is formed an acid and a base and form a salt. It form a salt, है ना? So it is forming a salt and salt formation. And phenol react with sodium metal gives us hydrogen gas and phenoxide, right? Sodium phenoxide, it is a salt. So these two reactions indicating us the phenol is acidic in nature, है ना? Now what I mean to say here, look at this, what I mean to say here, phenol, this is your phenol, react with sodium bicarbonate. You take any alcohol, any acid, HCl, react with sodium bicarbonate. मान लो ये फिनॉल एसिडिक है, HCl के जैसे रिएक्ट होना तो आपको मिलेगा NaCl plus H2CO3 and this is decomposed to gives us H2O and CO2, है ना? But there is no reaction, there is no reaction. This is an important point you need to know. Why? Because the reason is given H2CO3 is H2CO3 stronger acid than phenol. अगर H2CO3 यहाँ पर फॉर्म होगा, रिएक्शन ऑलवेज फेवर्स इन द बैकवर्ड डायरेक्शन, इसी का कारण रिएक्शन आगे नहीं बढ़ता है. ठीक है बेटा. इशिता, वेयर आर यू? कम ऑन इशिता, कम ऑन. Yes, now let's talk about the further reactions and this is very important I said for NEET examination. ख्याल में रखो बेटा जल्दी. Next, the reaction of phenol with aqueous sodium hydroxide indicates the phenols are stronger acid than alcohols and water. So what is the actual order of acidic strength? That's very important. Phenol when react with water, it is going to react and forms a phenoxide ion and H3O plus. And you can see the reversible reaction, this reaction always try to be in the forward direction because this phenoxide ion is resonance stabilized. It's a conjugate base. It is conjugate base. So it is resonance stabilized. So more the stable of the conjugate base and more is the acidic nature. Okay, more is the acidic nature. Now you can see how it is going to be. So you can say Ka is equal to phenoxide ion PHO minus and H3O and PHOH. As this is more stable, this concentration always want to be more is the Ka value, more is the Ka value, more is the acidic nature, more is the Ka value, lesser is the pKb value. So we are getting into the ionic equilibrium. So जो भी organic है, आप ionic equilibrium को भी थोड़ा सा connect कर रहे हैं, है ना? So chemistry is something integrated, my dear students. Never and ever say I am weak in organic chemistry or I am weak in physical chemistry. Right? So you should be confident in all categories of domains in chemistry. So I just want to say inorganic chemistry थोड़ा रट्टा मारना है क्या? नहीं. Organic chemistry and inorganic chemistry रट्टा मारने वाले नहीं. हर थोड़े बहुत चीज है, आपका लॉजिक का हिसाब से आगे बढ़ना है. So वो लॉजिक है ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री एंड इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री, डेफिनेटली आप आगे बढ़ सकते हैं, अच्छा तरफ काम कर सकते हैं, अच्छा तरफ स्कोर भी कर सकते हैं, आप टॉपर भी बन सकते हैं, है ना? ओनली वन थिंग, अच्छा तरफ अभ्यास करो, कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ने की कोशिश करो बेटा. आर यू गेटिंग और नॉट? चल, कम ऑन, राइट. सो let's talk about, so due to higher electronegativity of sp2 hybridized carbon atom, जो phenol ion का resonance ऐसे होता है, so I just want to show phenol ion का resonating structures आपका मिलेगा. देखो ये वाला आपका phenol है, resonance negative charge से नीचे आना है, so that it is coming like this, so it is a resonance stabilized and it is going to be its structure, further it is going to be resonance. You can see the confidence that your teacher have, and the same confidence you try to inculcate with you, my dear children, so that you are going to get आगे structure. फोर्थ पोजीशन में नेगेटिव चार्ज है, सो दैट सो मोर चार्ज डीलोकलाइजेशन, स्टेबिलिटी भी ज़्यादा होगा. दैट्स व्हाट आई वांट टू से. सिंपली यू कैन सी माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ऑल द रेजोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर्स आपके सामने है ना. नाउ दिस इज द वन व्हेन आई prepared these slides, the same structures that have been. So how much time you are going to get? ज़्यादा resonating structure इसका ऊपर है, so more the number of resonating structures, more will be the stability. So this phenoxide ion is resonance stabilized like this, so it is going to be more stable because the charge घूमते रहते हैं. ऑक्सीजन में चार्ज था, कार्बन में चार्ज बन गया, सो चार्ज यहाँ से यहाँ, यहाँ से यहाँ आपका घूम रहे हैं, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज चार्ज डीलोकलाइजेशन. चार्ज डीलोकलाइजेशन इज मोर स्टेबल. लेकिन यहाँ पर भी आपका रेजोनेंस है, बट इट इज चार्ज सेपरेशन. चार्ज सेपरेशन की वजह से ये कम स्टेबल होगा, एंड चार्ज डीलोकलाइजेशन की वजह से ये ज़्यादा स्टेबल होगा. सो ज़्यादा स्टेबल का तरीका ये इक्विलिब्रियम शिफ्ट करने का कोशिश करते हैं, so that this phenoxide ion is more stable due to resonance. so phenoxide का structure बनने का, concentration बनने का कोशिश करते हैं, इसीलिए Ka value increases and acidic nature increases and pH nature decreases. You understand what is the pH of phenol you are asking ना. इतना सारा आपका ये explanation इसमें है. Are you getting or not? Clear? Fine, thank you. And आगे बढ़ना थोड़ा. Now, so that is phenoxide ion structures. So let's compare the phenol and alcohol for acidic strength. Phenoxide is stabilized by resonance due to charge delocalization. Alkoxide is unstable due to +1 and +R group. Therefore, the order of acidic strength it is given as sulfonic acid is always more stable than, carboxylic acid is always more stable than, phenol is more stable than, and alcohols. And you want to know total functional groups, nearly all functional groups that we come across in the organic chemistry, इन लोगों का common order of acidic strength. It is very important. आप नीट में इस्तेमाल करो, सीधा के सादा आपका कहीं भी इस्तेमाल करो. Okay, when you solve a question, when you write NEET examination, this is an awesome presentation that is given in front of you. My dear students, sulfonic acid is more acidic than, carboxylic acid is more acidic than, phenol is more acidic than, methyl alcohol is more acidic than, water is more acidic than alcohol. So this is the alcohol, only methyl alcohol is more acidic than water. This is very, very important. So any alcohol is less acidic than water, then alkyne, then ammonia, then alkane you can say. Everybody make a note of this. Everybody make a note of this. This is very important. Textbook में कहीं नहीं दिया. Make it fast. कर लिया? Yes, Ishita. That's come on. That's very good. Now let's talk about acidic nature of phenols. Phenol is acidic nature. So एक चीज है, जब फिनॉल इसका पास कुछ इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप है and is more acidic than phenol is more acidic than electron releasing group का है. This is with electron releasing group. Sir, why did you keep in the meta group? Carefully you see, I did not place it in meta. I placed electron withdrawing group somewhere it is there on the benzene ring. It could be at ortho, it could be at meta, it could be at para. है ना? So don't feel that. That's the reason why cleverly I have written in middle. Right? So here what I want to say here, just want to say one important thing. Yes, that is an exception. Let me finish this, then I'll go back. Okay, so if the substituent is methyl group phenol and it is a methyl group at ortho and methyl group at meta and methyl group at para. So if the methyl group at ortho, it has plus I effect and positive hyperconjugation. Positive hyperconjugation is more effective. That's the reason why whenever inductive effect and hyperconjugation and resonance is there, inductive effect is ignored. And meta position sirf inductive effect istemal kiya. And at para also positive hyperconjugation and positive inductive effect is there. So hyperconjugation ka wajah se ortho and para is going to be less acidic than meta. But here phenol is more acidic here. Phenol is more acidic. So phenol is more acidic. So order of acidic nature phenol is greater than meta and para and ortho. Why para is more than ortho? Here ortho more positive inductive effect is there because distance is less, and inductive effect is less because distance is more. Simple logic, है ना? Simple logic. So that it is going to be phenol is more acidic than meta-methyl, meta-cresol and para-cresol and ortho-cresol. ये जो चीज cresol है ना, this is cresols. Got it? That's very important. So when you attempt a NEET examination question, my dear students, this is the logic you need to follow. How I am doing, you just go through general organic chemistry classes that I conducted previously. Recordings are available. If you request one more type of session like that, I just want to conduct online on live basis. Are you ready? Can we? Yes. Now thoda aage badhna. If the halogen is there, phenol and halogen, मान लो halogen, chlorine, bromine and iodine, let it be fluorine, they have minus I effect, strong minus I effect. So it has ortho position, strong minus I effect, weak plus M effect. It is a weak plus M effect, and it is minus I effect, it is plus M effect and minus I effect. Okay, so just want to say inductive effect if you consider doesn't matter. So it is going to be ortho greater than meta greater than para. So you can say ortho, meta, para than phenol, and actual order ortho, meta, para. And when halogens comes, consider minus I effect only. So inductive effect is distance oriented, distance related. So ortho so close, meta little away and para far away. So that ortho is more electron withdrawing than meta is more than para is more than here phenol. This is the order. So it's very important. So kind of acidic nature of phenols, acidic nature of carboxylic acids and basic nature of amines. Based on these three subtopics, definitely you are expected to get one question from the NEET examination, my dear students. So let us plan in such a way that NEET examination निकालना कैसे. So दिन भर पढ़ना 18 घंटे पढ़ना, 15 घंटे पढ़ना, सा कम से कम 9-10 घंटे काम चलेगा, लेकिन अच्छे तरफ अभ्यास करो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, है ना। एंड कैसे करना, वो जो लॉजिक है, जो ट्रिक्स है, सुरेश सर के क्लास में आपको सीधा मिल जाएगा ना बेटा। इशिता, होप यू आर टेकिंग दिस कॉन्टेक्स्ट वेरी नाइसली। अभिनव, यस बेटा, yes, very good. Let us talk some more here. Now let us take some exceptional cases there. Ortho nitrophenol, nitro group जो है, हाँ, this is having minus I effect as well as minus M effect, and meta group में nitro group है, so resonance mesomeric effect never and ever operates at meta position, इसी का कारण is minus I effect ही चलता है, and para position में फिर भी minus I and minus M. What I am expecting, ortho is greater than, para is greater than, meta is greater than phenol, लेकिन ये exception है, ये exception क्या बोल रहे हैं आपका, exception para is greater than ortho, here it is statement 1 and statement 2 kind of questions, mind it, statement 2 kind of questions. So para orthonitrophenol is less acidic than para-nitrophenol. Orthonitrophenol is less acidic than para-nitrophenol. Assertion and reasoning type. इसका statement 2 क्या होगा, statement 2 क्या होगा, this is orthonitrophenol, phenol, इसका नाइट्रो ग्रुप जो है ना, this has intramolecular hydrogen bonding, intramolecular hydrogen bonding, intramolecular hydrogen bonding का वजह से जो हाइड्रोजन फिनॉल का साथ उसमें बाइंड हो गया, सो इट इज टैंगल हियर इटसेल्फ, सो देने का संभावना कम होगा, है ना। सो अंदर के अंदर बॉन्ड होना ड्यू टू इंट्रामोलिकुलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग, इंट्रामोलिकुलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग. So both S1 S2, Komal Kaushik, S1 S2 are true and S2 is the correct explanation of S1. मान लो S1 is assertion, S2 is reason. So when you see the NEET examination questions, this is the context, this is the concept, and these are the type of questions that you are going to expect. Thank you very much. Thank you for your compliments. So आप हमारा क्लासेस अटेंड कर रहे हैं ना, so definitely आप फायदा उठा रहे हैं. Okay, so never waste this kind of awesome sessions, get advantage of it, and you please make your friends to get advantage of this, so that I request you to share these sessions with your friends. And if you are not able to attend the sessions, you just watch the recording, so that if you have any doubts you can write a comment. हर सेशन को मैं कमेंट देखता हूँ, ये कमेंट का वजह से आपको आंसर भी मिलेगा, पक्का मिलेगा. इफ़ यू वांट टू चेक इट यू कैन चेक इट. ओके, सर को कुछ कमेंट लिखने तो सेशन होने के भी बात रिकॉर्डिंग देखने के वक्त में डेफिनेटली तुरंत आपको आंसर आना है ना बेटा. एंड लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब, and in the description box we have given telegram channel link also, you can use that, and सारे के सारा क्लास का नोट्स आपको पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट में आपको निकलेगा, and you will be getting all sessions updates in that channel. And also you can improve your score by filling that Google form, so that performance based improvement you can get it, है ना. Everything is available in this YouTube channel. Yes beta, that's good. Now आगे बढ़ता रिएक्शंस का, फिनॉल का जो रिएक्शंस है. यस, एंड रिएक्शंस ऑफ फिनॉल ड्यू टू OH ग्रुप फिलहाल हम देख चुका. साल्ट फॉर्मेशन अभी तो देखने वाला है. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एस्टर, एस्टर क्या होगा जब एसिड अल्कोहल से रिएक्ट कर रहे हैं ना, that is formed as an ester. You can see phenol is reacted with acetyl chloride. You are going to see Cl and H निकल जाएगा HCl का जैसे. You are going to get CH phenyl group O phenoxide and COCH. This is what you call phenyl acetate. It is an ester. This is an ester group है बेटा. This is a ester functional group. This is your ester functional group. This is your ester functional group. समझे? Got it? Very good. Now, जब phenol benzoyl chloride, so benzoyl chloride, this is what you call it, benzoyl chloride. This benzoyl chloride से react करने तो क्या होगा आपका, जो chlorine and hydrogen, so HCl निकलेगा. So we are going to get phenyl benzoate. Phenyl benzoate. Can you name this reaction? It is called a Scott-Bowman reaction. This reaction is called Scott-Bowman reaction. ये चीज ये नाम आपका NCERT में नहीं दिया, लेकिन ये reactions दिया गया. So that you all follow this. इसका नाम भी थोड़ा बहुत एज में एक पॉइंट ज़्यादा सीखने तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आपका फर्क पड़ता है. आप अच्छा करने का स्टूडेंट से टॉपर का इतना फर्क है, ये ऐसे रिएक्शंस आपको दे देंगे, है ना बेटा? राइट. तस्वीन, वेयर आर यू? थिंक केरला में. ओके. कोमल कौशिक, होप यू अंडरस्टूड. क्लियर बेटा? वेरी गुड. Okay, now let's talk about, this is about Scott-Bowman reaction and the formation of ethers. Yes, when phenol is reacted with the sodium, sodium phenoxide बन गया. Sodium phenoxide alkyl halides से react होने तो this is a nucleophile. This nucleophile is going to attack here, so that it is going to form S&2 reaction, so that alkyl phenyl ether बन गया. So that you can say, you can also use methyl dimethyl sulfate, you are going to get the same. Okay, so you just want to say this reaction है ना, Williamson ether synthesis. This is your Williamson ether synthesis reaction. Okay, very good. Next reaction, when it react with the PCl5, it is going to get a chlorobenzene, because the PCl5 is a chlorine donor, so POCl3 and HCl is going to be formed, है ना? And PCl3 से भी react होगा, my dear students, the same product is going to be formed. And it's very important, oxidation. जब phenol chromic anhydride Cr2O3 से react होगा तो, so it is going to be a good oxidizing agent, Cr2O3 chromic oxide. So it is going to get para-benzoquinone. Para-benzoquinone, it's very important, para-benzoquinone. Okay, it can also be done when it exposed to air. When it exposed to air. Now, my dear students, when you see catechol exposed to air, so what happened? You are going to see the formation of like this. Rishita, fine? It's very important, oxidation of benzene, so oxidation of phenols. Now we are going to get electrophilic substitution reaction. एक खास बात है, very important. Now everybody hold your breath. So it is, you see, after this I am going to tell you, this is phthalic anhydride. This is what you call it as phthalic anhydride. And this phthalic anhydride, when it is reacted with 2 moles of phenol, so phenol का जो structure है ना, उल्टा करके लिख दिया, उल्टा करके लिख दिया. सो जैसा आपका पैरा पोजिशन में जो हाइड्रोजन है ना, ये हाइड्रोजन पकड़ के सो वाटर मॉलिक्यूल निकलेगा H1 H2O. H2O is removed. When H2O is removed, you are going to get a new bond with this carbon. ये है बेंजीन को सीधा लगाना है, ये कार्बन बॉन्ड ये सीधा ये लगाना है. So phthalic anhydride is forming a structure with phenol like this. This is what you call it as phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein. You understood this phenolphthalein is an indicator, acid base indicator. Phenolphthalein is an acid base indicator. Remember? Yes. Can you tell me the color of this acid base indicator? If you remember, RK Anirudh. अभिनव इज देयर, ऊपर अभिनव है, नीचे अनिरुद्ध है. ओके, सो कैन यू टेल मी इशिता एंड अनिरुद्ध, अभिनव, कैन यू प्लीज टेल मी द कलर ऑफ द phenolphthalein एसिड बेस इंडिकेटर न्यूट्रलाइजेशन टाइट्रेशन में क्या होगा? दैट इज ऑल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट ना. सो आई थिंक इट इज गिवन इन द ग्रेड 10 ऑल्सो. दे सकते हैं? अरे बेटा, phenolphthalein is colorless in acidic media and phenolphthalein is pink in alkaline media. yes, pink सबको पता है इशिता, कहाँ pink है कहाँ colorless है. okay, in the acidic media it is colorless, in the basic media or alkaline media it is pink. ख्याल में रखो सब चीज, ये जो क्लास में आपका दे रहे हैं ना, it is we are generating knowledge dear, generating knowledge, है ना? clear? any doubt? so phenolphthalein is used in acid base titration as an indicator. As an indicator it turns pink into red, pink to red in alkaline, and it is colorless in acidic solutions, है ना? that's good. yes, pink in basic, that's good. fine. Now reactions of benzene group. So here you can see the benzene ring of the phenol is positive mesomeric effect. So that electron pair is given to the benzene. So this effect, what do you call it as? Positive resonance effect or positive mesomeric effect. ये effect का हिसाब से क्या होगा? जो नेगेटिव चार्ज है ना, यहाँ पर आने वाला है, and this is going to give its further resonating structures. So lot of pace you can see in the class, है ना? and what I mean to say here, ये फिर घूमते रहते हैं. so इलेक्ट्रॉन क्लाउड कहाँ कहाँ अटकते? बोलना बेटा, कहाँ कहाँ अटकते? बोलना. हाँ, when you see the resonating structure, so OH ग्रुप है ना? OH ग्रुप है. ये OH ग्रुप में दिस इज योर रेजोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर्स. ये रेजोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर में यहाँ पर पॉजिटिव है, यहाँ पर नेगेटिव है, यहाँ पर नेगेटिव है, यहाँ पर नेगेटिव है ना? राइट. नाउ इट इज ऑर्थो एंड पैरा पोजिशन में नेगेटिव चार्ज इज एक्यूमुलेटेड माय डियर स्टूडेंट. सो दैट इलेक्ट्रोफाइल अगर आप आना चाहता है तो इलेक्ट्रोफाइल कहाँ कहाँ आ सकते हैं? इलेक्ट्रोफाइल आ सकता है आपका. दिस इज, मान लो ये इलेक्ट्रोफाइल है, इलेक्ट्रोफाइल आर्थो में आ सकते हैं, पैरा में आ सकता है, फिर भी आर्थो में आ सकता है. सो इट इज ऑर्थो एंड पैरा डायरेक्टिंग. इट इज स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑर्थो एंड पैरा डायरेक्टिंग माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, है ना? सो देयरफॉर यू कैन सी हैलोजिनेशन व्हेन फिनोल इज ट्रीटेड विथ aqueous bromine. So that bromine is going to attack here as well as here as well as here, so that it is going to be ये 2,4,6 ट्राइब्रोमोफिनॉल, क्योंकि ये स्ट्रॉन्ग इलेक्ट्रॉन रिलीजिंग ग्रुप है. पॉजिटिव मीसोमेरिक का effect का वजह से. So you are going to get ये white precipitate when aqueous bromine इस्तेमाल करने तो. That's very very important. हाँ, नेगेटिव ज़्यादा जहाँ या वहाँ इलेक्ट्रोफाइल काटते है ना बेटा. वेरी गुड. नेगेटिव, यस, फाइन, that's good. So you keep on, Abhinav, you keep on giving the answers like that. Now I just want to say, when you see bromine, this is very important, this is very important. So I just want to give a simple method. Phenol, NCERT में भी दिया ये reaction, Br2 in the presence of aqueous, phenol, Br2 in the presence of CS2. In the presence of water, Br2 ज़्यादा polarization होगा, ब्रोमीन concentration ज़्यादा होगा, इसी का कारण आपका फिनॉल ओके ट्राइब्रोमोफिनॉल बन गया, ट्राइब्रोमोफिनॉल बन गया. लेकिन आपका जो CS2 का हिसाब से तो Br में कॉन्सेंट्रेशन कम है, सो सिर्फ आर्थो एंड पैराब्रोमोफिनॉल फॉर्म होगा बस. दिस इज वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, सो टाइप करता हूं ना करो, टाइप करता हूं ना करो, है ना बेटा. राइट, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ट्रिक आई एम गिविंग यू. सो you feel you are preparing NEET examination. So if you join in a coaching center also, इससे ऊपर कुछ टॉपिक नहीं मिलेगा, कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं मिलेगा बेटा. मैं आपको प्रॉमिस दे रहा हूँ, ये ऐसा लेक्चर्स इसी मेथड में आप ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री सीखना, आपका पूरा NEET एग्जामिनेशन में क्वेश्चंस पूरा निकाल सकते हैं, आप टॉपर भी बन सकते हैं, है ना. थम्स अप, फायर इमोजी, सब लोग फटाफट. yes. Okay, right. Now let us go ahead. If the same thing Br2 aqueous, this is salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is going to give you and the tribromo derivative, because the electrophile जब काटते हैं ना decarboxylate होता है. Right. I am from Hyderabad, Infinity Learn corporate office. Right? Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya. You can Google it and you can download Infinity Learn Meta app also, Doubt app also. Yes, I am from Hyderabad, I said na. Yes. So when sulfonation is happening, aqueous bromine, again it is going to get sulfur trioxide is eliminated, and carbon dioxide is eliminated by decarboxylation method, right? Okay, right. Now let's talk about hallucination in phenol takes place even in the absence of Lewis acid, AlBr3, FeBr3 due to highly activating effect of OH group. That's what I want to say. Phenol in the presence of CS2, you are going to get ortho and parabromophenols that we are given in the previous slide, and OH group is strongly activating, hence is a tri-substituted product is formed. However, in the presence of CS2 at low temperature, only ortho and para products are formed. Clear? Yes beta. So आप लिखते जाओ, okay, नोट करना जरूरी है, and you are doing work along with me. एक round of preparation पे complete कर रहे हैं ना. And now nitration. आपको जैसे if you use nitration, use concentrated nitric acid, use diluted nitric acid. 20% means dilute, no? Dilute nitric acid. When you use dilute nitric acid, what happens? Electrophile concentration कम होगा, orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol are separated, है ना? And how do you get this? Again we are going to discuss these things. Chemical bonding याद है? Chemical bonding याद है? Yes. Now you can see orthonitrophenol, you have intramolecular hydrogen bonding. and para-nitrophenol you have intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Because of that, this mixture is separated by fractional distillation. This mixture is separated by fractional distillation. So, which is more steam volatile? This is more steam volatile. So, we are connected to hydrogen bonding also. Now, whereas a phenol is treated with concentrated nitric acid, in the concentrated nitric acid you are going to get 2,4,6 tri nitrophenol. This is popularly known as picric acid. So, which of the following compound do not have carboxylic acid? Common names will be given. In that picric acid is a phenolic acid but not a carboxylic acid. Fine beta? Yes. It's very important reaction. After that we need to learn two more reactions, Kolbe's reaction and Reimer-Tiemann reaction. Those reactions hai. And when concentrated nitric acid is there, 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, and dilute nitric acid is there, orthonitrophenol and para-nitrophenols are formed. So आप बोल रहे हैं तेलुगु में कुछ बोलना चाहता हो तो आप बोल सकते हैं अभिनव, थोड़ा सा ट्रांसलेट करके चैट बॉक्स में डालो, मैं सीखना चाहता हूँ तेलुगु आपसे. कर सकते हैं? आप कर लो. Very good, funny. So hope you are enjoying, bubbling with enthusiasm in the session. All the students who are currently present in the session are really getting advantage of this session. So those students who are not able to regularly attend my sessions, you please watch the recording so that you will understand what is actually sir is teaching, so that आपको NEET examination में फायदा उठाने की कोशिश करो बेटा. Next, Reimer-Tiemann reaction. So this is quite important reaction. This reaction, after this Kolbe's reaction, both reactions are important for boards examination, for NEET examination, जो भी competitive examination है. हाँ, when phenol is treated with chloroform in the presence of potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide, you are going to get orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. Okay, so this is what you call it as Reimer-Tiemann reaction. I'll tell you the Reimer-Tiemann reaction, the electrophilic substitution reaction, and the electrophile is dichlorocarbon. A mechanism देखो, chloroform in the presence of sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is going to take this. Okay, water molecule is eliminated, so that you are going to get CCl3 minus. So ये Cl3 minus निकलेगा तो Cl minus, so that you are going to get dichlorocarbon. This is the electrophile in the Reimer-Tiemann reaction. Electrophile in RTR. So that is what you call a Reimer-Tiemann reaction. ये चीज़ है NEET examination में बहुत important है. So which of the following is a electrophile in Reimer-Tiemann reaction? So you can say it is CCl2. This is what you call it as dichlorocarbon. Fine beta. And this dichlorocarbon is going to take the phenolic group. Okay, this is phenoxide ion. This phenoxide ion, जो pi bond है ना, this negative charge is attracting dichlorocarbon to form this complex. Later it is hydrolyzed to give two chlorines are hydrolyzed. Okay, so that aldehyde is formed, so that it's salicyl aldehyde. Life is chemistry. I forgot your name. I think Ramesh or something. Am I right? Am I right? Your name is Ramesh or something. Come on. So this is what you call it as salicyl aldehyde. This reaction, what do you call it as? Yes. My dear students, this much empathy, this much care we are providing towards the students. and those students who are not displayed the name also, I can memorize your name, and if you keep on interacting with me, I can memorize your confidence levels and your level of subject also. So try to be regular in the class so that we'll get best out of it. Clear? Hi Ramesh, why you're not there in the previous couple of sessions? So you started your school? हाँ, बहुत अच्छा, मेरा स्टूडेंट्स भी बहुत अच्छा है. That's, I take it is my chance, it's my fortune, and it's my luck that I am teaching to a good students like you. So 2025 नीट एग्जामिनेशन शायद मेरे को लगता है हम मिलके एक फोटो बना देंगे सब डॉक्टर बनने के बाद, है ना? ध्रुव रात्य. हाँ, अल्कोहल, जो भी अल्कोहल है ये लिवर खराब होगा. अल्कोहल बुरा चीज है. ओके, इट इज नॉट गुड फॉर हेल्थ. इट डायरेक्टली इम्पैक्ट ऑन द लिवर. राइट बेटा? अरे यू आर टॉकिंग टू मी. द चैट बॉक्स इज देयर ना. Chat box is there na, you can talk to me, I am talking to you. Definitely I'll accept this. You come to, after examination you come to Infinity Learn office, है ना? So along with your result we'll take a photograph here and I'll upload on the public chat. Yes, in 2024 also you just mind it. So we completed the NEET channel like this, and we got a very good number of students. We cleared NEET examination. Okay, you want to talk to me, you come to the Infinity Learn office na. So you want to speak with me YouTube channel में ऐसा सुविधा नहीं है. That chance is not there. Whatever you want to communicate, you communicate over chat, or otherwise come to my office so we can talk. हाँ, आपके मार्क्स के साथ फोटो खींचने वाले हैं पक्का. अगर आप चाहे तो अरे आप निकलेंगे ना. एवरीबडी आर गोइंग टू गेट 700 प्लस. इन माई केमिस्ट्री आई कैन गिव 180 out of 180. थैंक यू वेरी मच. राइट, सो लेट्स सी. सो दिस इज योर मैकेनिज्म. अगर आपका एक चीज है, ये पैरा ग्रुप ब्लॉक होगा तो so what happens, you are going to get the same product. Okay, and this para group is also taking the resonating structures in its so that you are going to get the product like this, CHCl together. जैसे ha. Yes, this is something like a twist, so that Reimer-Tiemann reaction में ये प्रोडक्ट भी बनेगा. ये प्रोडक्ट के साथ अगर पैरा ग्रुप में कुछ होगा तो दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नीट में ट्रिक है. सो अगर नीट एग्जामिनेशन में आपका थोड़ा बहुत टफ क्वेश्चन आपको देना चाहता हूं तो ऐसे क्वेश्चंस देते हैं. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, है ना? द रीजन इज रेजोनेंस. बिकॉज ऑफ द रेजोनेंस यहाँ पे भी आपका डाइक्लोरो कार्बिन काट सकते एंड ये प्रोडक्ट दे सकते हैं, है ना? राइट, वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट, कोल्ब्स रिएक्शन. हाँ, यस, कोल्बेस रिएक्शन और कोल्ब्स रिएक्शन. सोडियम फिनॉक्साइड. So phenol is sodium phenoxide. When it is treated with carbon dioxide, you are going to get salicylic acid. Okay, this reaction is what you call it as a Kolbe's reaction. Sir, उस RTR Reimer-Tiemann reaction में salicylic aldehyde, now this is salicylic acid. It is diamond clear. So why this Reimer-Tiemann reaction, Kolbe's reaction इतना important है? अरे every in a 24 hours in a day, at least for 1 hour and half an hour we are getting kind of headache, है ना? आज नहीं तो कल भी हो सकता है. So immediately you apply a balm na, which is Nothing but the derivatives of the salicylic acid, Phenol and salicylaldehyde. So all kind of painkillers that you are applying, so let it be Volini, let it be Jandu bomb, let it be Amartanjan, these are all the derivatives of the salicylic acid. That's what salicylic acid formed in the Kolbe's reaction is used to produce a number of important derivatives used in the medicine. है ना? Yes, CCl4 will get salicylic acid. Ramesh, अगर आप ये reaction में, okay, so you are going to see phenol, what Ramesh said, if you use CHCl3 instead of CCl4 and in the presence of sodium hydroxide, you are going to get not salicylaldehyde, rather salicylic acid you are going to get. ये भी Reimer-Tiemann reaction है. Ramesh, fine? Ramesh, fine? That is also very important. Yes. Now let's see here. So various medicines that we are using, this is your salicylic acid, this salicylic acid, when it is treated with methyl alcohol, so this alcohol is going to react with this carboxylic acid, so forms an ester. So this is what you call it a methyl salicylate, oil of wintergreen. So eucalyptus oils contains all these combinations. You know, when this salicylic acid is treated with phenol again, you are going to get phenyl salicylate, is also called a salol. Salol, yes, झंडू बम अमृतांजन पसंद है, झंडू बम पसंद है आपका? मेरे को कोई नहीं पसंद है. I don't want to use it because I don't get any headaches. Because when you get a headache, you get a pressure, है ना? I don't get a pressure because in a day I completely engage with my students. I'm enjoying in my life, so I don't get a pressure. So I don't get a headache. Unless somebody hit on my head, I don't get a headache because I am proud to be a teacher and I am delivering awesome lectures to awesome students like you. I don't get a headache. Okay. So acetic, this is acetic anhydride. This is what you call it as acetic anhydride. So when salicylic acid is reacted with acetic anhydride, you are going to get acetyl salicylic acid, acetylated ester of salicylic acid. This is what you call it as aspirin. Thank you very much. Aspirin. So you use Disprin tablet, na? That Disprin tablet you have aspirin. So what is the use of aspirin? Anybody can say what is the use of aspirin? Chemistry in everyday life. Chemistry in everyday life. Aspirin. This is used as, this is aspirin. Aspirin is used as antipyretic. बुखार कम करने का, है ना? Yes. And it is also analgesic. Whenever you have a pain, you can use it. Analgesic and antipyretic and anticoagulating. Anticoagulating agent. So this is a super drug actually. When cardiac patients are there, na, they are used to dissolve the clots, है ना? It is a non-narcotic, a mild analgesic, non-narcotic, है ना? So this much uses we have, my dear students, right beta? And आगे बढ़ना, right? Any doubt here? Ramesh, Abhinav, come on, come on. और कुछ डाउट है ना तो पूछना. इशिता, निहाल, low risk of heart attacks and strokes. Yes, that's very good. That's very good. Now, and nitrization of phenol. Phenol is treated with NaNO2 in the presence of H2SO4. You are going to get para-nitrosophenol. What is the use of this para-nitrophenol? Yes, it is clear. So para-nitration is difficult because of the strong electron withdrawing nature. So positive mesomeric effect. When para-nitrosophenol you can prepare it, so you can easily oxidize to get the phenol. Okay, when it is easily oxidized. Okay, so when it is HNO3, you are going to get para-nitrophenol. This is the best method to prepare para-nitrophenol. Yes, very good. So coupling reaction, the diazotization, and this is benzene diazonium chloride. Here one hydrogen is there with the phenol. It is going to react to form it, HCl is formed. So that is para-hydroxyazobenzene is formed. So this is called azo dye. It is going to be orange dye, orange color dye. It is orange dye. So it is a called diazo coupling reaction. So today we discussed about so many reactions of phenols. You know? Hope you are all enjoying it. It is yellow dye, it's orange dye beta, not yellow dye. Aniline yellow. Aniline का yellow आता है. Yes it is. Aniline का yellow है. ये phenol का orange है. थोड़ा सा बहुत confusion आता है बच्चों का. So don't get confused. है ना बेटा? So today we discussed about preparation of phenols, acidic nature of phenols, everything we did it, and we did Reimer-Tiemann reaction, Kolbe's reaction, right? Hope you all enjoyed today's session, right? So you just description channel में आपको कुछ telegram channel दिया, so you all join there. You are going to get सारे के सारा आपका PDF notes मिलेगा, है ना? Definitely you can do the best. I don't, you want me to get the number, you come and collect here. It's an amazing session. Thank you very much. Get ready for the next session, and I'm signing off. Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry from Infinity Lane. Bye bye. Thank you.